Alright, YouTube, Murdoch's back here, giving you guys a video changing the trunk struts. Gonna go over how I did it. I just did this side. It's all good, nice and tight. This is a hard job, mainly due to the fact that this trunk weighs at least 80 pounds or so. So definitely, this is what I did. I put a jack and then a broom, and I'm hitting it right here so it holds it. But if you have another person available, it'll make the job a lot easier. But I needed this done ASAP because I'm lifting my trunk all the time, and it hit me in the head, and I was like, I need to fix this ASAP. You do not want this to hit your head. This thing hurts. But yeah, let's get straight into it. You're gonna need a 10 mil. I only have a long socket 10 mil, but you're also gonna need something like this, some type of wrench for this bolt down here. You're gonna need this because I can't fit my socket ratchet on it. But yeah, let's get it. All right, hopefully you guys can see it. I'm gonna attack the first, then do the bottom. But as you can see, you're gonna go counterclockwise on this. Fit it on. It's gonna take some time just because the thread on these are kind of long. Just be careful because the weight's gonna drop once you remove this bolt, so just be ready. I'm gonna have my hand up just in case. But I did the other side, so I think the hydraulic system is supporting it. This one's almost out. Okay. Now I just gotta figure out how to get this wrench up. It's on there. All right, so I might have to remove this one as well. That's one of them. I don't know if you guys can see. It should just pop out. Oops. I don't know if I nicked anything, probably did, but it's an old car. I don't know if these are the original. I think they are, to be honest. Hopefully you guys can see. The bottom ones are easy to get off, but that top one's a little hard. So, clean up the area a little bit. But yeah, I see some Japanese writing, LHKYB. But this strut is shot. It's like rusted. So, like I said, you do not want this thing to hit you in the head. This trunk hurts like a motherfucker. Did I install these wrong? Nah. Okay. Okay, so these bottom bolts are really tough to put on. You gotta line it up really well. This is where having someone lifting it with you helps a lot. But just start the thread. Like while the thing is kind of lifted, it doesn't like being put on with it touching. I don't know why. But let me tighten these down. They're pretty tight. So this is the hard part, lining these up. You gotta have someone like pushing it up, kinda. All right, I got them in. I pushed up and then I lined the bolts. I just threaded it in and it's holding. So I'm gonna tighten them down and that's pretty much it. This job's pretty hard. You need 2 people ideally. But I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. All right, guys, it's done.
You got me hypnotized by the way you look at me. Yeah, baby, don't you lie, girl, you know your body T. Yeah, you show me you're a pretty girlfriend.